Hey guys, so I did a couple videos on a Yakima skybox, did a video on how to mount it on your crossbars, and I did a video on how to pick out or extract the SKS key cylinder on a box that's already unlocked. So following up on that video, because I pulled out the key cylinder, I could get the code on the cylinder and order new keys. So here they are. They are not Yakima name brand because those cost more money. These were like 10 bucks. I'll put the links down below. And I supposedly have in here the correct set of 2 keys and 1 control key. I'm gonna open this up. I'll show you what they look like. We'll check out the material quality, and then I'll go down to the garage and we will see how they work. So let me pop this open. All right, I'm not gonna show you the actual numbers themselves. I'll show you the keys, and they are not cheap, flimsy keys like you may expect, which is great. You know, they're not dinky. Here's the control key. It's just smooth. So there you go. But pleasantly surprised with they're not some dinky ones that you could bend in your hand, which, you know, wouldn't be a shock, but you can hear them. They're good. And they sent me the correct number that I ordered, which is great. So super excited. Stay tuned. So I bought this box used, and this side has been locked since I bought it not that long ago. So I'm gonna use one of the normal keys, and I'm gonna turn to the left, and there you go. And then I open it like that. And finally, I can open this side. Here's the other key, just to make sure it works and it's cut well. And boom, it's perfect. Relock it. Boom. Now I will test the control key. So you need to unlock the lock. So I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise. And I'll just show you that in this kit, this control key does work. So I sort of put it in all the way and then just jiggle it a little bit and you'll feel it. And you can just slide that whole key cylinder right out. And then you can change the locks, do whatever you want, read your numbers. So very happy with this kit. I'll put links down below for the other videos. I'll put links down below for these keys. They're legit, they're solid keys. So very happy. Thanks for watching.